A question that keeps on coming back. Why do you say that testosterone 1.62% in alcohol form is junk?
Well, because it's non-esterized, it's in your body and out very quickly. It fails to replace sufficient levels. Remember, it was designed in urology to get you to a level of about 400 to 500 total testosterone. It gives you no opportunity to manage or control low SHBG, and most Americans are pre-diabetic or insulin resistant and have low SHBG, and therefore it's really a problem when you try to optimize these guys, and it's a struggle. And with injections, we have so much more control over their protocol. We have so much more of a half-life to work with. I mean, these guys excrete so quickly. And when you 1.62, I mean, the cream that you're on, even though it's a transdermal, I believe it's 20%,
20.
right? So you have 200 milligrams per gram or per milliliter. 1.62%. I mean, you're looking at something that's 17 times weaker than the cream that you're using. It's just flawed, period. I mean, we get guys with androgel transferring it all the time. They never feel well. They're never optimal. As soon as we get them going on a proper protocol within 8 to 12 weeks, it's like a whole new life.